Hi guys, my name is Samuel Mo, your favorite tax consultant. So here are essential things that every taxpayer or business owner should note in 2026. My name is Samuel Mo and your favorite tax consultant. So you know, some people are fond of maybe starting a business and they don't get it registered and all that. No, that's wrong. Okay. The proper thing to do is when you start a business or when you want to start a business, the first step is getting registered with Corporate Affairs Commission, that's CAC, either as a business name, that's an enterprise, or as a limited liability. So when you register it as a limited liability, you proceed to get your thing from FIRS. I mean, next year is going to be NIRS, Nigerian Revenue Service. And then if it was a business name or an enterprise, as they call it, you get your TIN from State Internal Revenue. Okay, like Abuja, they will get it from FCTIRS. Okay, so when you're done with that, when you've gotten the TIN, you proceed to your bank here and open a bank account, a corporate account with that TIN. So that corporate account is for your business, just your business money. It's not for personal funds. Yeah, just your business money. So afterwards, you just know that you have a business account and you have a personal account so that you'll be able to decipher your business money and your personal money. Secondly, yeah, or another thing I would love to advise against is if you open this account, please stop giving your business account to people to be sending personal money, or somebody wants to use your account for business and maybe they require the person to bring a corporate account. The person is just asking you, please give me your corporate account, and then you give it to them. Don't forget, the money that they are sending into that account is taxable. It's a third-party transaction. And the government sees money that is entering your corporate account as a business money. So it's taxable at the end of the day. So please, and the law, the law doesn't accept ignorance. So they're not going to take that. So you have to be careful. That's why I'm giving us these precautions here. And another thing is, please, very important, at the point of your registration for TIN at any tax office, please, your incorporation date on CAC is not necessarily your commencement date. Someone might incorporate a company in 2023 and commence business in 2025. So when you're going there, yeah, make sure that if you don't have a commencement date, there's always a point for not yet or yet to commence business, okay? Because when you commence a business without having to commence that business in real sense, what will happen to you is that liabilities would line up for you and you will not know it because you're ignorant of what you're doing, because you will not know. So it will just be counting up for you. So anytime you now go to the office maybe to now start business proper, you now notice that there are lots of liabilities, tax liabilities that have been counting up for you. Okay, so please let's avoid to do that. Okay, and again, one other thing I want to tell us to do, we should take, like, this is so important, I can't even overemphasize it. In 2026, make sure that you keep proper records of everything you're doing. If you're running a limited liability company, yeah, please keep record of everything. If you're buying fuel, right, you bought fuel this, have a receipt, have a requisition form. Yeah, if you're buying maybe a car for the office or something, write it down. All the expenditure, all the expenses that you're making, please spend them down. Keep the receipt. It's very important because you will not be able to prove most of the things you've done, especially when it has to do with cash. You'll not be able to prove it if you don't have the receipt. And you might not even be able to claim some benefits without this receipt, so that you will not say, oh, the 2026 tax reform policy came with a lot of benefits and I did not enjoy any of them. Please make sure you keep proper record so that you will enjoy all these things. Thank you so much. These are just a few words for today. More would come. Just make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow all our social media platforms. Thank you.